Hi, I'm Gary Don Webb, and I teach Algebra 1A and 1B at Etowah High School in Attala, Alabama. Tonight, I'm going to teach you how to use Remind 101 for a flipped classroom. Why would I want a flipped classroom? First of all, a flipped classroom allows students to prepare for class ahead of time. So your classroom time can be used to help students with problems instead of lecturing most of the class period. Students can begin work as soon as class begins or as soon as they enter your room and finish work before the end of the class period. Prepared students can help others, and that allows the instructor to give more time to those who really need your help the most. Why do I want to use Remind 101? Well, Remind 101 allows you to send a message to all members of your group at once. Remind 101 is completely confidential. They don't know your cell phone number, you don't know theirs. So how do I get started? What do I do? Well, let's go to their website at remind101.com. Signing up is going to be easy. I just need to enter my first name, last name, email address, and choose my password. I'm going to sign in because I've already done that, and I can kind of show you what I've done. I'm going to sign in using my email, which is gweb@attala.k12.al.us. Then I'm going to enter my password that I selected when I signed up for Remind 101. I have a couple of classes in there already. I'm going to go to my second block class. Over here you'll see the class code that they text to this number, which is not mine. It's the one that Remind 101 gave to me when I signed up as a teacher. As you see down here, I sent a message to my class recently. I asked them to watch these two short videos which total less than 4 minutes. We're getting ready to start our chapter on factoring. So the first one is about factoring using the distributive method. Basically, it's factoring out the greatest common factor. The second one is a little bit more difficult for the students. It shows them how to do factoring by grouping. All they had to do is click on the video or the link to the video and watch it. There's one with factoring by distribution. They just got to click on and watch it. Now I like this because, for one thing, I can't always be sure that they're going to log onto the computer, check email, or get on their whatever the device is and check email, but I can almost guarantee you 24/7 they're going to have that cell phone with them. So if I send them a message by text with the links, I can feel pretty sure that they might watch it, or definitely there's a better chance they're going to watch it than if they had to log on to a computer. Now, let's look at what I do in my classroom. I give a progress check along with the classwork and homework assignment and as to students as soon as they walk in my room, so they have it. They can get to work. The ones that don't watch the video, they get the progress check, but not until the conclusion of the new classroom objectives. Let's see what this looks like. First of all, the students that watch the video get these 4 problems just so I can check and see what they know. They get a little message down here thanking them, and they begin their homework assignment, which is here in the bow. Now the other students do not get these 4 problems until I finish presenting the new material, and they don't get their classwork and homework assignment until they finish this as well. So there's a big advantage to the students who watch it early. Now, let's see what students say about it. First of all, the pros to Remind 101 is a flipped classroom. My mind's fresh when I come to class and I can get questions answered immediately. It helps me understand the material better. Gives me a head start on homework. When I arrived in class, I already knew the types of problems in which I needed help. I learned multiple ways to solve problems, because often the people on the video may teach a little bit differently than I do. They get to see it a couple different ways. 2 for the price of 1. They can decide which way is better because all students do not learn the same. It increases my confidence by knowing content ahead of time. I can start homework before everyone who doesn't watch the video. Now, what's the bad things the students say about it? The only one is they couldn't ask questions while viewing the video. But they have that opportunity as soon as the class starts the next day. They know what to ask ahead of time. And as you can tell by this comment, they're obviously engaged because they want to ask questions. They're learning new material and it's piqued their interest. Now, if you have any questions about how to use Remind 101 as a flipped classroom for you, please contact me at gweb@atala.k12.al.us.